After sharing the WisGate Connect with you, let me now talk about the WisDM. WisDM is the remote management platform for our WisGate Edge gateways. We are continuously improving WisDM and WisGateOS to help you manage your fleet of LoRaWAN gateways. Today, I'd like to introduce you some of the new features of the latest version of WisDM. One of my favorite features of WisDM is that you get promptly notifications when there is something going wrong. Now, with the dying gasp functionality in gateways like the WisGate Edge Pro, you get more information to address this problem, since WisDM will retrieve this information from the gateway and will let you know if there is a connectivity issue or some sort of power outage. And speaking of power, if you're using the RAK Battery Plus with your gateway, you can enable notifications and reports on your solar battery activity. We have also improved the way you can upgrade your gateway's firmware. Now you can decide which gateways you want to upgrade and to what specific version of WisGateOS you want to upgrade them to. This enables a finer grain of gateway management to your fleet. And the small but really important feature is that you can now reboot your gateways remotely from the gateway page or from the location page. Another new feature of WisDM is displaying gateway performance statistics. This feature allows you to monitor data such as the intensity of transmission of messages, the signal quality of your network, and analyze the data load that your network has. If you need more information about your gateways, WisDM provides you with a system lock to monitor all the activity remotely, in real time. You can access your gateways using SSH or use the recovery system lock settings to view important device information or filter in different time periods. Last but not least, I want to introduce a useful feature that helps you save time. You can add the gateways at your organization location in advance without waiting for your physical product. It is possible because you will receive the gateway's information, including serial number and gateway EUI, when your purchase ships. You can visit our official documentation to know more about WisDM or go to wisdm.network to start using it. The links will be available on the description of the video or the comments below.